What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. It has been a minute since my last upload, but now we're going to get some more out. It's going to be good. So today we're going to do some how to clean your Tahoe rubber keycaps. As you can see, these have been absolutely bashed. Probably like 2 or 3 months of like solid use. They've got those little grooves in them, so that'll pick it up a bit better. Everything just gets stuck in there. They get really dirty, not gonna lie to you. But as you can see, that top one compared to the W. So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna be cleaning the actual ducky keycaps itself and the board below. So I'll fast forward this next bit and we'll get through to the next tool section. So as you can see here, this is just a bit of a dishwashing liquid and just some hot water. I don't have to use a knife, but I'm just going to stir these around for a bit. Leave them for maybe an hour, hour and a half. Pull them out, give them a little bit of a wipe down, and then we'll see what happens from there. Alrighty, so here is the finished product. We'll have a bit of a better look when they're on the board. I gave the board a bit of a dust out, a bit of a wipe like around the edges. So that's nice and clean. So I'll chuck these in and then I'll show you how it is. Okay, that took a lot longer than expected. Thanks to Google for the help there. But here we have it, boys. Squeaky clean. You look at that compared to before it was cleaned, absolutely nuts. Even the normal keycaps. So all I've done, I've put all the keycaps into a bowl of boiling water with some dishwashing liquid. Left it in there for like 40 minutes, I think I ended up doing it. Tipped it all into the bathroom sink, and then just gave each one with an old toothbrush, of course, not a new one. Just gave each one a scrub, chucked it on a towel, dried them all up, thrown them back on, and that's the end product. So if you are going to buy them, yes, they do get really dirty, but don't be afraid, because as you can see, they clean so easy. Yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with how this has turned out. I have to do it more often. So that's it for this video. My next video should be an unboxing of the Davina mouse and matching mouse pads, so really keen for that one. Once again, thanks for your support. You guys have been killing it. Thanks for my 1,000 subs. Absolutely crazy. But yeah, thanks to Google again. Make sure to subscribe, like this video for more. I'm really bad at outros, bro. So we're gonna cut it there. Peace.